1. The fresh guidelines in order to conduct JEE/NEET 2020 exams came after the NTA issued admit cards for the two exams scheduled to be held in the 2nd of September. Among the instructions, students are instructed to carry a personal bottle of water and hand sanitizer to the exam center as well as maintain social distancing. 3. Apart from these items, only the admit card will be allowed inside the examination center. However, the candidate will be required to remove the mask worn by him or her from home, and use the mask provided at center only. 4. For those candidates who have a temperature higher than 99.4 degrees Fahrenheit, they will be taken to isolation room. All processes of frisking and document verification will be done after a period of 15-20 minutes. In this time their temperature may become even normal. If not, they will be allowed to take the examination alone in a separate room. The notification further stated 5. Greta Thunberg was the latest to join chorus of postponing the exams in view of the coronavirus, saying it is deeply unfair that students are asked to appear in the tests during the pandemic. 6. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik also urged the centre today to take steps for postponing the exams as it will be unsafe for students to physically appear in the exams in view of the prevailing COVID-19 situation. 7. Lok Janshakti Party President Chirag Paswan wrote to Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, urging him to request the central government to postpone the examinations. 8. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee wrote to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the second consecutive day on the holding of JEE/NEET examinations during the ongoing pandemic and sought his intervention. Today our government has received a letter from the National Testing Agency to conduct the JEE/NEET examinations starting from the 1st of September 2020. We are really worried and concerned, she wrote. 9. The JEE/Main is scheduled to be held between the 1st and 6th of September, while the JEE/Advanced on the 27th of September. The NEET will be held on the 13th of September. 10. According to the leftist All India Students Association, AISA, over 4,200 students observed the day-long hunger strike at their respective home, demanding that CBSE compartment exams of classes 10 and 12 be cancelled and entrance exams such as the UGC NET, ACLA, NEET and JEE be postponed.